Yo, it's your boy, Ray Mabry. And on today's episode, we're going to talk about two cryptos that I am currently buying. I'm loading up my bags. Just so you know, this is not financial advice. This is not a video for me to tell you to go out and buy these particular coins. What I'm just saying is these are some coins that I've identified as a great buy at the current moment, and I see a huge use case for both of them. Also, I've shared in recent videos that I hold over 20 different crypto coins and tokens in my wallets and stuff. And so these are just two that I'm going to highlight in today's video. But before we get started, let me introduce myself. My name is Ray Mabry. I'm a full-time real estate investor, Forex trader, and crypto investor. And so the information I share with you, I'm just basically sharing my experiences with you and some things that I see as, kind of where we're going and where we are when we're going. And I'm super excited about the opportunities that crypto is posing at this moment, especially when things are down. A lot of people are saying that the market is crashing and Bitcoin may be going down to $5,000 and $10,000. Hey, none of that stuff really matters because we're looking at this in from a long-term perspective. I'm looking at, you have some assets here that are down now. The whole market is down. The stock market is down. Of course, the crypto market is down. There are a lot of things going on in the economy and in the world. So it's just reflective of what's currently happening in today's economy. But that doesn't mean that you can't take advantage of these huge opportunities. And that's why I'm going to highlight these two particular coins right now. As stated before, this is not an endorsement. This is not a recommendation for you to go out and buy. These are just two that I'm buying right now. And as you can see in the thumbnail, the one that's blue, that's called ApeCoin, and the one in black is called Quant. These are two that I've been actually up until this month or until last month or so, just been kind of keeping my eye on them because, they have a lot of buzz. They have both have huge use cases, but they've been kind of trading kind of high. But now that the market is down, they're on sale, and I am taking advantage of it. These are my long-term plays. Well, the ApeCoin is my mid-term play, which means, even if it goes back up to the all-time high, somewhere close to $39, $40, it's currently under $4 now. So if it did a 10x and went to $40, that would be just a huge return on investment. That's kind of what I'm looking at the moment. That's ApeCoin, and the symbol is Ape, APE. And so make sure you do your research if you want to look into that particular coin. What does it do? Just think about the Web3, metaverse, NFTs. When you hear a lot of those buzzwords going around, ApeCoin is one that's heavily involved in that particular ecosystem. And so that's one of the reasons that I'm super excited about it. As I stated before, this is not a token review. This is just something that I'm sharing with you and just kind of bringing awareness. And so just take a look at it, do your research. If you want to research it, just go to CoinMarketCap. You can also go to the website, apecoin.com, and you can go to Twitter. Those are the three resources that I would recommend to go and research any of these coins or tokens that you hear about. But ApeCoin is one that's going to be more of my midterm investment. I say if it goes up to $40 and I can 10x my money, but I'm looking maybe to do a 3 to 5x return on that particular coin. The second one, Quant, QNT. This is one that I am just super bullish on. The all-time high on this particular token back in September of last year was over $400, and now it's currently below $50. So it is on sale. One thing that really gets me excited about Quant is its total supply and the circulating supply. Circulating supply is somewhere right around 12 million. Total supply, just check on market cap, is somewhere right around 14 million, which is actually less than Bitcoin itself. Bitcoin, the most Bitcoin that's going to be mined is 21 million. So you have an asset here in Quant that has a circulating or total supply less than Bitcoin, the big daddy. So that's something to consider. Doesn't mean it's going to outdo Bitcoin. Doesn't mean it's going to be more expensive than Bitcoin. That's not what I'm saying. What we're talking about is supply and demand. And so the supply is so low and the price is so low at today's price that I think it would be very, very advantageous to seriously consider looking into adding some quant to your bag. The whole objective is just to connect the blockchain to, the world ecosystem. And so it's going to change finance. It's going to be I believe it's going to be very, very instrumental in, our financial system moving forward. So, with a low circulating supply, with the price being down so low, I'm telling you, I think quant is definitely my long-term play. So this is one that I'm super, super bullish on, one that I do plan on holding for a few years and just kind of like just trying to add to my bags as much as possible. Because think about it this way, Bitcoin was created, back in the, right around 2010 or so. And so, we're talking about something that's a little over 10 years old, Bitcoin that is. And it's down now. I think it's in the low 20s, around $21,000, which, we say it's down, but all-time high is somewhere right around $69,000. So it's definitely down, you know, three times less than its all-time high. But think about had you just even bought 10 Bitcoin or 100 Bitcoin back 10 years ago when it was low. Look at where you think your life would be now. You would be multi-millionaire status, if not billionaire status, if you had gotten in early. So that's one of the main things I want to talk about is, you find a good quality, solid project and you just buy into it and you hold. I'm not saying trade, my trading is done more so on the Forex side. But when it comes to crypto, I am investing and I'm investing for the midterm to long term. And I'm just super excited about quant. So listen, just take a look at both of those. Once again, if you want to do research, you can go to the website. I think it's quant.network. You can go to Twitter. You can also go to coinmarketcap.com. Research it, look it up. Just research these two coins and let me know what you think about them. But I'm telling you, these are two of the many that I'm currently investing in. And I'm super excited about both of them. They're on sale now. And here's the other thing too, they could go down more. If that's the case, you want to do what you call DCA, dollar cost average, which means if it's like quant, I think it's somewhere right around $49 now. If it goes down, say to $39, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna buy more. If it goes down to $29, I'm gonna buy more. If it goes down to $10, I'm gonna buy more. That's what you call dollar cost averaging, because what it does, it brings down your overall average. Even if you're buying at a higher price, if you're getting it lower, it brings your average down a lot. So that's kind of how you want to do that when it comes to investing. That's a great strategy, especially for those of you that, kind of want to set it and forget it. That's what I recommend. Also keep in mind, always remember these few things. Do your research whenever you're looking into investing in particular crypto or stock or anything. Always do your own research. Also, never invest more money than you're willing to lose. All this stuff is speculative. It could go down to zero, which I don't believe it's going to go down to zero. But some of these coins and tokens will not make it. That's why I'm looking more so for those particular assets that have a huge use case, because some of the cryptos will not make it in this bear run, and that's just kind of how it is. So, don't invest more money than you're willing to lose. Also, you want to buy these particular tokens and coins on discount. Now's the time to start accumulating your bags. Whenever you see a particular coin, or say on the news, say on Fox News, CNBC, or let's say you see it on everybody's talking about it on social media, that's not the time to buy that asset. The time to buy it is like now when it's down and nobody's really talking about it. Do your research, invest in solid projects, but this isn't the time when you need to start accumulating your bags, stacking your bags. And, the fourth thing is don't FOMO, fear of missing out. Do not just buy into something just because somebody's recommended or somebody's saying, hey, this is going to be the next greatest thing. No, do your research. But once you identify something that has a great use case and something that you can get behind, I would say start stacking your bag. Don't go all in at one time either. Don't YOLO. You only live once. Don't do that. But if you see something, then just gradually start investing in it over time. And before you know it, when you look up and you will see you have, a nice portfolio something that you can be proud of. But I'm super excited about crypto. Once again, people are, it's crashing. People are running for the hills. But, this is the time when you really need to start investing when everybody is scared. Fear and greed is what moves the markets. And so when people are fearful, this is a time where, you need to strategically have a plan, but you need to strategically go in and start accumulating some of these assets while they're on sale. Anyways, this is my time for now. I appreciate you joining me. Just take a look at these, Apecoin and Quant. I mentioned some other tokens and stuff that I'm just super bullish on, but these are two I want to highlight today in today's video. Thank you for your time. And until next time, this is your boy Ray Mabry about to sign off. Peace.